All right, we've got the coals on, excuse me, fired up and getting them going so we can start on the Mountain Man breakfast. First thing we have to do that is cook the potatoes, and then we have sausage and bacon after that, and then we'll throw it all in the Dutch oven and get that bacon up. Once we get that going, we'll get the biscuits going. Those are a little bit quicker. I can get the Mountain Man breakfast going and then prep and get the biscuits in, and they all finish up about the same time, so it works out real well. All right, we've got some coals going here. We're about ready to get this thing off the ground and get it going. All right, we've got the coals on and got the pan warming up. I like using these hog feed trays, and I've got a little camping grill that sits in the bottom and keeps the pan off, lets me get good and warm. But these hog trays help keep everything together, keep it a little cleaner, keep the campsites a little nicer while we're cooking. And you can see I've got these are what I wind up putting my Dutch ovens in. They help retain a little more of the heat too and keep it up around the oven and keep the oven warm, and really have liked using those over the past few years as I'm doing my Dutch oven cooking. So we'll let this pan warm up and then we will get going. All right, we've got the potatoes on, put a little bit of oil in there and put the potatoes on. I'll show you what kind of potatoes I use. There's where I'm staying tonight. Got my tent all set up. I just use Ore-Ida potatoes O'Brien with onions and peppers. It adds a little bit to the breakfast as we're doing that. So we'll get these cooked up and browned, and these go on the bottom of the Mountain Man breakfast. I'm using a number 12 Dutch oven, regular size. Well, that one might be a deep, but using number 12. And so these go on the bottom, and then you put your sausage on that, egg mixture, bacon. So we'll got to get these browned up, and then we'll get the other stuff going. It is a little bit cool this morning, so one of the things that I'm doing is preheating my ovens. I've just taken them and set them on top of my other charcoal chimney, where I'm keeping my charcoal right now, just warm them up a little bit. That way it's not too much longer as we're cooking, so we're just preheating those real quick. All right, we've got the potatoes in the bottom of the Dutch oven. They'll help warm it up a little bit. Still see them steaming. These lid lifters that I use, I've done a video on them before, and I'll link to that. These are Mayer, M-A-I-R lid lifters. This is the long one, and then I've got a short one. And they make one in between. When I ordered these, they didn't have them at the time. I'd like to get maybe one or two more. They're really good lid lifters. Got the sausage going. So we'll get it browned up. Cooking. Got our charcoals getting heated up. They'll be ready to go. By the time this is all cooked up and in the pan. So we'll come back here when we get the bacon on. All right, we've got the sausage cooked up. It's draining off a little bit. And we've got the bacon on. Get that cooked up. It'll take a few minutes. Coals will be ready to get that going, then we'll get started on the buttermilk biscuits. All right, so we've got the egg mixture in, got our bacon in, and we're getting ready to put the coals on it and get it going. So it'll bake about 20-25 minutes.